It's Angela with a smile box. This is from Free Spirit Arts, and it is very well taped up. She knows I always tape mine like this too. So, I like to tape. Now, I have a daughter that actually loves to tie things in knots. And it used to be, if we had a knot in the house, we'd just call on her, and she could get those knots out quicker than ever. So all my necklaces always went to her. Now, I have no idea what's in here. You just saw me cut this open. I see a note. I'm going to rip the box, Caryl. I just can't stand it. It's just too much. Let's see what we have. We have a little note and a piece of cardboard we can peel. How exciting. Make a nice little front cover. Oh, look. How sweet is that? Caryl, you're a card maker, dear. Look at that. It is so, so sweet. Oh. Snowmen are so darn happy, aren't they? Thank you for always being so kind. I love your artistic spirit. Here's to a cozy winter and an early spring. I hope to see what you do in the garden or in the yard. Oh gosh, I have so many plans this year. Thank you, Caryl. That was sweet. I'm going to put this right beside me in my slot right there. What could be in here? Oh, look at this. Libby. Chicken jerky enriched with glucosamine and... don't know. Something a dog needs. Oh, she sent one of these before, and Libby absolutely went nuts. She loved it. Thank you, Caryl. I know Libby will say thank you. And here we have some cute little stickers. Look at those. Oh, I can't wait to use them. I love these. You know what I love about these is they're matte. They're not super glossy like the ones I have. These are very cool. Thank you. I'll show you what it is. Plus you get my hand back in there too. Bubble wrap. We can do popping. Oh, that used to drive me crazy when the kids would do that, spread it out on the floor, and they'd all go stomping across it. And, oh my goodness. What do we have in here? Oh my goodness. Look, it's one of her little jar things. Oh, you know, I just got some mason jars, and I just got some lotion tops, and I'm going to make painted mason jars. Oh, this is Life is Beautiful. Oh, life is beautiful, isn't it? I love this. This is precious. Look at that. Pretty little laces. Look at that baby lace on there with the baby beads. What's this? Happy Lab Organic English breakfast tea and chamomile. And what are these? Oh my goodness. These are not going out to the other room. They're staying in here. So I can have a snack now and then. Caryl, thank you. This is very precious. Oh, and it has a rusted safety pins on it. So let me show you all the way around. I've been looking at it, but I haven't been sharing. Look at that. This is awesome. I want to do something like this. I have extra jars. Very, very cool. Love how heavy this is. Beautiful. Get this together so I can put it up away from the putty tat. Oh my goodness. Tea bags. Now I can dye my own. Very cool. Thank you, Caryl. I will dye them because I loved using the envelope in this last little bit. And some old seam binding. Dusty rose. A pencil. We need to write something with this in a journal. And, ooh, you know, I just saw the coolest thing made with houses. We're going to make something with these. Not right now, but later, when I'm prepared. Thank you so much. This was so sweet of you. And now we have a box. If I could glue it back together again, I could send it back out with something. I could glue it. You wouldn't believe what I can do to a box to make it send again. Thank you, Caryl. That was very, very sweet of you. And I do want you to know that you are definitely a card maker now. You have hit the realm of card makers. That is absolutely stunning. Look at how she did. I don't know if you can see that, but this is like a glitter paper back here. And then all of these little snowflakes are raised up. And she has just a little smudge in here so it looks like clouds and sky. Very, very cool, Caryl. Absolutely stunning. Okay, I want to be a card maker now. I made this card just for you. I expect you to save it forever and ever. And you know what? I'm a junk journaler. I will save it forever. But I'll put a note out for my kids in my will that says, save the card from Caryl. And Libby, she will adore this. And I adore this. I just saw something with something like this. What was it? It was very cool, but I can't wait to make a picture with it. Maybe in the... Oh, you know, these houses and trees would be cool around the edge of a paper on a journal. We could make a journal about home. And we could put seam binding on it. And flowers in the garden. With tea bag pockets. And this little piece of candy, Godiva, Belgium, 1926 masterpieces. They are masterpieces, aren't they? I gotta get under the camera here. Man, I am just out of screen today. I love this. Oh, I can't wait to do something with my jars. You know, this is cool because you have stamped on this and then you have made it a part of this glass. And it is absolutely stunning. Why do we love stuff like this so much? You just want to hold it and squeeze it and love it. I wish you guys could hold it and squeeze it and love it too, because I wouldn't let you do it with the chocolate in it. Of course not. Because, well, I might just do what my son called when his brothers and sisters would get something. They're just going to hog it up. Well, I'm just going to hog up the candy. Oh, beautiful, Caryl. Absolutely stunning. Oh, you don't know how much I appreciate this. This is wonderful. I feel very special today. So I won't be jealous that you're off in the sun and sand right now. That was a cute bracelet thing you got, by the way. Yeah, love seeing your vacation pictures. Absolutely fun. That sky is so blue, and that water and beach. Oh, beautiful. I could go and relax there. Okay, well, that is my happy meal for the day. I won't eat this. It goes to Libby. Which, once she gets one, she's going to know there's another. So she has a dinner coming up in just a few. And then she'll get one after her dinner. Thanks, Caryl. Very much appreciated. I will talk to you all later. Stop over and say hi to Caryl as she gets home from her vacation, and let her know she's officially a card maker now. It's official. I'm sure of it. Thank you. I'll see you all in the next video. And we have coming up ID cards inspired by Robin Powell and Gail Augustinelli. That's all I got done on it. I got to make one. I'm finding my stamps. They're a little bit lost right now. Okay, I'm going to go. Love you guys. Bye. Thank you, Caryl. You're a sweetheart. Love you. Bye.